how to add signature on your Outlook and in your mobile. So the mobile version of your Outlook, you should be able to do this directly in your settings. So first of all, just log into your account you want to add your signature to, and go ahead to the top left corner of your screen, which should just be this little profile over here or this little circle. So at this point, you're gonna go ahead and enter your settings. So it could be a bit different depending on your version, but as long as you go ahead in your settings. In our case, it's found in the bottom left corner. There's a cog icon that's going to be your settings. Once you press into settings, scroll down or go ahead to your quick settings until you find these signatures. So you can go ahead and copy your signature if you'd like, and then you can just go ahead and hold it over here and then paste the signature. You also have the option to type that in if you want. You can edit the letters if you want as well, but there's also the photo or image option you can choose. So in general, you should be able to take a picture of your signature or screenshot your picture of your signature. So screenshotting the signature still works, and then go ahead here to the image option. It will just bring you to your photos over here. Then you can just go ahead and put in your signature. So we have a little example over here that was pretty much just made up, and once that's done, you can just go ahead and press uncheck, and if you take a look at your signatures, it's just going to be there. So your signature should just be added into your mobile Outlook or your Outlook account in general. So that's pretty much how you add signature in Outlook mobile. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.